model, 2014 Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 Cdti 113 SWB long MOT, runs and drives excellent. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 140203. MOT, the 3rd of October 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, wind-up windows. EU status, Euro 5.